Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
7 common phrasal verbs with Phil. Like and subscribe to the channel. Fill in. Meaning: to complete or provide missing information. Example: please fill in the form before submitting it. Fill out. Meaning: to complete a form or document. Example: she needs to fill out the application for the job. Fill up. Meaning: to make something full, often used with containers. Example: he filled up the gas tank before the long drive. Fill in for. Meaning: to substitute for someone temporarily. Example: can you fill in for me while I'm on vacation? Fill in on. Meaning: to provide someone with necessary information. Example: could you fill me in on the latest updates? Fill someone in. Meaning: to give someone information they missed. Example: I missed the meeting. Can you fill me in? Fill something in. Meaning: to write information in blank spaces. Example: fill the blanks in with the correct answers. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.